Yo, Aaron, can I get a sick intro for the vlog?
So what exactly is happening right now?
I wanted to make a TikTok. There's this new thing.
Okay.
And you'll see it now.
Okay. I'm confused, but I'm ready to see.
If you can fit this whole egg in your mouth, I'm giving you $100.
Wow.
In?
Nice. Oh shit. Are you okay?
Ew!
Why are you so happy? Yo, what's up, guys? I'm not even gonna ask at this point. This is no joke. This is an actual school project. Mario is dressed up as a clock and has to wake up Joel, who's sleeping in the room. But instead, we're giving it a twist. Mario will just scream at Joel and try to what?
Punch him in the face.
Okay, let's go.
Wake up! Wake up! Oh my god.
No, 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 no!
Fucking ISIS. Piece of shit. Yeah, you deserve it. Piece of shit.
What the hell was that? Oh shit. Oh shit. Mario, you ready? But please take it serious. It's a serious school project, okay? Good. Oh shit! Oh shit! Whoa, whoa. Killed him! Oh my god, the clock survived! That was the most terrible thing I've ever seen in my life.
Motherfucker! What's up, vlog?
What's happening right now is very, very stupid and very, very risky. We are at the car wash right now to wash our car. There's a bit of a twist. Me and Joel will get out of the car while the car is at the car wash and see what happens. I know, but this is the vlogs. I'm gonna try it right now. Let's go. Okay, guys, that's the car wash. Let's get dressed, huh? We're gonna wear our bathing suits right now and see what happens at the car wash. Let's go. Guys, we're officially in. We're gonna wait for the perfect moment when no one watches. This is the big moment. Oh my god, this is for real. This is for real. This is for real. Wish us luck. Should we go? 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 Not yet. No, no, no. Why not? Why not? Why not? No? Okay, shit. Let's go. I know. I know. I'm ready. No. Oh my god, Joel! Oh my god! Woo! Joel made it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy shit, guys! Woo! Joel! Oh my god! What? What's happening? Come on! Joel! Oh my god! The craziest shit I ever did in this vlog! Oh, we're doing this! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa! We made it to the car wash! We made it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! Yes! And we got it! Shit! Oh my god!
We didn't pay. We did pay.
We did pay?
I paid it, don't worry.
Oh my god, that was insane. That was insane. High five, brother. High five, good job. Good job. Yo vlog, what is happening right now is, as you guys know, I love surprising people in the vlog. Last time we surprised my little sister Raquel. So today we're surprising my little sister Sarah. I didn't see her in quite a while now. I booked my flight ticket to Vienna just a couple of hours ago. Right now I'm at the airport. I'm on my way to Vienna. I want to surprise her and just show up in her room. This is my ticket. I'm gonna go on the plane right now. Just show up in her room and see what happens. Let's go. And boom, we're here. What's up? Oh, surprise! How was the surprise?
Really good, really successful. She didn't tell me anything.
You cried? Good job!
Bro, I'm shocked. I'm shocked right now. Where'd you come from?
So as you know me, there's a catch, of course, because we're in the vlogs. We're going on a family trip to Bratislava, Slovakia.
When?
Tomorrow. Yay! Let's go! Let's go! What? Family trip! Good morning to the vlog. Welcome to Bratislava.
Welcome to Bratislava!
Hey. So how was it?
Amazing, bro.
Yeah.
I love your vlogs.
At this point, I would usually film the outro, but then I found this.
Okay, hi guys, I took Aaron's camera. Aaron's in the living room. I just wanted to say, please like this video, subscribe, put on notifications, comment down below what you like the most, and yeah, see you on the next vlog. Bye!